How to make hair mask for oily scalp at home. To prepare hair mask for oily scalp at home, you will need the following ingredients: 1 cup henna powder, 1 cup freshly brewed green tea, and 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Process: add a cup of henna powder to a cup of freshly brewed green tea while it is still warm. Mix well to get a smooth, consistent paste and let it sit overnight. In the morning, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to the paste and mix well. Now, apply this to your scalp and hair and leave it on for about 3 hours. Then, wash your hair with a mild sulfate-free shampoo and cool, lukewarm water. Finish with conditioner. For best results, you have to use this pack once a month. Here are a few benefits of henna and lemon juice hair pack. This hair pack helps color your hair and covers grays. If you want a brown color, rather than an orange-red, you can substitute the green tea with black coffee. This pack is ideal for people with oily scalps. Green tea can help in stimulating hair growth. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.